I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're seeing a transfer pending on Kraken, don't worry, it's usually a simple issue to resolve. Here is how to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check transaction status. Visit the funding tab on your Kraken account to see the status of your transfer. This will show if it's pending, completed, or failed. Step 2. Verify deposit address. Ensure that you use the correct deposit address for your transfer. A small mistake here can lead to delays. Step 3. Confirm network fees. Check if the network fees for your transfer were sufficient. Low fees can result in longer processing times. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Sometimes, it just takes time for the blockchain to confirm your transaction. Be patient and allow for the necessary confirmations. Step 5. Contact support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, these issues are often temporary. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer quickly. Good luck!